Hello everyone. Let's take a look at time signature. Time signature in the form of a fraction number appears at the beginning of the line right after the key signature. The top number tells us how many beats there are in each measure, and the bottom number tells us what kind of note gets one beat. Let's take a look at the first example, 4/4 time. 4/4 time means there are 4 beats in each measure. The bottom number tells us what kind of notes gets one count. In this case, number 4 means quarter note. This is how we count the 4/4 time with these notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, after each measure line, you need to start over with number 1. Now the next line, we have a 3/4 time. 3/4 time means there are 3 beats per measure. And the bottom number 4 means quarter notes gets one count. And we count this number like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, we have 2/4 time. 2/4 time means there are 2 beats per measure. Quarter notes get one count. To count this rhythm, it goes like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. The next number is what we call cut time. It simply means cut the 4/4 time in half. In cut time, there are 2 beats per measure. Now the bottom number is number 2. The number 2 means half notes get one count. In 4/4 time, remember, half note gets 2 counts. In this one, the half note gets one count. So to count this, go like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. The last one is 6/8. 6/8 means there are 6 beats per measure. The number 8 means eighth notes get one count. In 4/4 time, remember, eighth note receive only half of a count. But in this case, the number 8 indicates they receive one count. So the counting for this line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let me give you some time signature exercises. Put in the possible time signatures for each of the following exercises. You can always pause the video to give yourself a little bit more time to think and to write it down. Always remember, after the bar line, you have to start over with counting number 1. Here are most likely answers to the time signature exercises. I say most likely because other time signatures are possible. But according to the grouping of the notes, these are the most likely time signatures for these exercises. Check your answers here, see if you did it correctly.